go and find my cards and thank everyone. And they loved all the stuff that I brought to them as well. I don't think I can leave this in here with the kids. I have a feeling they're going to dig through this, but I need to probably have him take the stuff upstairs. Whew, I'm out of breath. But I was rushing so badly today that I forgot to take my pictures. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm going to touch up my contouring because this nose is looking quite pregalicious. Alright, so let's come in here. My little shadows with me per usual. What you want, man? Why are you underneath there? Alright. So I ain't gonna look that bad after being on all day. And yes, your girl is turning discoloration from the pregnancy, so I don't know what else to do. I'm getting darker, especially right here. And then I notice it on my stomach and in certain parts of my arm. Like, look, my arms are, see, it's just right here. Oh my God, it's so, I don't remember experiencing this in any of my other pregnancies, but apparently it's going down for this one. Apparently. And this is all I'm doing to retouch it. I'm just taking the same blending sponge I use to apply my makeup. Just damping up all that oils that may have peeped through. And that's it. And usually I bring this with me, but I was rushing so bad that I forgot. So then I'm going to touch up my lips too. See, look, that's it. That's all. That's it. That's all, folks. Tika, 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 tika. You are messing with everything, Bubster boy. Come here.
Baby.
Yeah. You're still mommy's baby. Can you say baby? Say baby. Say baby. Who's that? Is that Bubster? Oh, there go Rai. Hey, Ryster. You see yourself? You say hi? Y'all, she gave herself a black eye. Wait, don't stop pushing buttons. She bumped herself on an, I think he said on our bed, something like that upstairs. And now it's trying to heal, but it left herself a black eye. And I'm like, this girl's always hurting herself. Chloe, you are heavy. When did you gain weight? Oh, thank you. Mommy don't want that though. I gotta show you guys some stuff really quick that I also got from work. So let me show you guys that, and then we're gonna close this vlog off because I need to take this makeup off because I got work early in the morning. I told myself that I was not gonna let y'all in here anymore, and y'all are in here. I'm too nice. I'm too nice. Pick that up for mommy, please. You got it in your eye? Let me show you guys the stuff I got from my boxes first. So this is from Ipsy. Oh, this is a cute little bag. I got the little blue tint with the little star seashell thing on there. It's really, really cute. Yeah. Mama. Is there anything good? We got an orange blossom frozen. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Look, it's for this ride. Look. Thank you. We got, let's see, an eyeliner. You did it. There you go, girl. Hey, what is this? Barefoot Venus? Perfume? Okay. There's something big in here, though. What? I got a palette? This is by the brand Trend Beauty. Oh, it's a nice palette. Look, show them the palette. See, look, guys. Look what mommy got. You see it? What? Don't you gotta put your finger in there. Girl. And it's an all, oh no, I thought it was an all matte, but it looks like it's like 2 or 3 shimmers in here. I'm really surprised they sent me a full palette inside a little Ipsy. Because this is like the small one. I think this is like the $12 one, so you get like samples. So to receive this in the actual bag, a full makeup palette, I'm impressed. Being that I only spent $12 now, it's interesting to see how this quality is going to be from this palette. Oh? Yes? Well, why are you bumping my stomach? That hurts, baby. That hurts. That hurt, mommy. Yeah, it hurt, mommy. Alright, let's see what we got really quick. Y'all are making this room even messier. So I got the beauty crop. This is like a duo. What is this? I don't know if this is an eyeshadow or... Y'all need to go to bed. Go to bed. Don't just throw that wrapper in the trash. Go put it in the trash, right? See, this is what I've been debating on canceling my BoxyCharm. They used to do like really good on sending like makeup items, but lately I've been getting like skincare stuff. And I don't need any skincare products at all because I'm not really big on trying out different skincare stuff. Like, what the heck? I did get a Natasha palette though that I don't see myself using. I think I received like 3 or 4 of these so far from BoxyCharm, and I have yet to use any of her quality of eyeshadows. I might give them a try one day, but not today. Oh, and I bought this palette. This is by the brand, what is this brand by? I forgot because it's not on here. Okay, yes, it's by the brand Cosmic Brushes, and this is the palette, and I wanted to try them out. They're like out of like, I think they're in the UK. Look at this palette, y'all. She is so gorgeous. I cannot wait to try her. I might try her out tomorrow, so y'all look out for that in my next week vlog. It was something else I wanted to show you. Oh, I got some good stuff from work. If I show you guys this or not, but I got some skincare stuff from Good Molecule. Let's see what I got. I got the whole entire line pretty much. So this is the Instant Cleansing Balm from this line. And I also got the Brightening Toner. Then I got the very popular Wake Up Eye Gel. And then what else did I get from this line? This is the Silicone Priming Moisturizer. And then the last thing I got was the Correcting Serum, which I'm really excited to try out. Oh my gosh, y'all are making a mess. But I'm going to take this off, take a shower, and then clean half of my room. Because I never clean it up all the way. That's why it stays dirty. But just a halfway clean it up. And then I'm going to pick out my outfits for the week for work-wise. Because I only go in, I think, 3 times next week. So I need to fully start trying on the rest of these clothes so that I can get my returns and stuff all in process. And then that's pretty much it. That's all I'm going to do off camera. So good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another vlog. I feel so good today. I don't know why, because I literally went to bed, I think like 1 o'clock this morning, and then I got up at 6:30 because of the discomfort of my pregnancy right now. Yes, baby boy. Feels so good to finally say the gender. But yes, this little boy of mine is just, he is so busy, you guys. And I think the way the ultrasound tech described his body wise is that his legs are extremely long. And it's funny because Levon has the same body structure. Like, his torso is little, but his legs are so long, and that's what makes him look tall. So being that his legs are already long because Levon's wasn't, I think he's running out of room, and I think he's trying to find like comfortable positions, and he kept doing it all last night. I had some, I'll probably insert some clips of me showing movements and everything. It's like really hard to capture this boy movements. Like, he moves a lot, but the moment I put a camera on and try to get the proper angle so you guys can see the movements, he stops. I'm like, you little stinker. But I got up a little early. Like I said, I couldn't sleep. I was on TikTok editing some videos to post for later on for Instagram and all that other stuff. And then I decided, I was like, girl, what you waiting for? Go get started with your makeup. Because I've noticed also that I've been moving extremely slow when it comes to filming. And that's just because I'm tired. Like usually it used to take me about like an hour, 30 minutes, maybe 2 hours. And that's makeup, hair, and outfit. And now, lately it's been taking me like almost 3 hours because I'm sitting here taking a break, go get something to eat or whatever, and it's just like so I got an hour and 30 minutes left for me to be done and get ready for work. So I'm about to go wet my sponges so I can get started with my face routine. So one thing I definitely have been noticing with my skin is it's not even really showing like that on the camera, but I'm getting discoloration. So I'm getting like darker, like from my jawline from here, and then I got random spots that's like darker on my body, and it's just like it's bothering me because when I put my foundation on, it looks like it's not matching because I'm so dark right here, but the rest of my body is like, look at this, you see this? See, I am light. I don't know what's going on. Well, I know what's going on, duh, I'm pregnant, but it's just crazy what women go through just carrying a life in their stomach. I usually take my wig off. You know what? I am going to do that because now my wig is all wet. So this is why I don't fully glue it down when I do my face, because I'm spraying it so much. And I totally forgot. I ruined a lot of wigs doing this. Doing my face, getting foundation and spraying and stuff like that. So I've learned to not glue my wig down until I'm completely done with my face part. But I really need to get on my A game and prepare my my little luggage for labor and delivery, because I haven't. My suitcase is still in my room, but it's yet to be packed, and I really need to get on that. Ooh, gracias. What? Thank you.
Did I make it okay?
Yeah. Can I get my water bottle? Look at this. I was starving too. Not bad at all. I actually want a buttery toast. Who, Bubba? I heard him. He took his diaper off, huh? He did pee? Y'all need to put shorts on him because he keeps doing that.
What?
So you need to put shorts on him. He keeps doing it. He kept doing it all day yesterday too.
Oh, yeah?
He's over diapers, yeah. Literally. Boy, it's on a whole nother level. Yeah, I think he's definitely ready to be potty trained because he keeps taking his diapers off. But I need to ask his therapist. He got therapy today, but I'm gonna ask his therapist. I'm like, how do we go about on potty training him with this autism and him being a boy? This is new to me, so I'm like, what's the proper steps? How do we do this? Because I definitely know that's like one of the signs is diaper taking off, and he's been doing it a lot lately, and it's been like driving me crazy because he's been peeing everywhere now. And the only way I prevent him from doing it, because he don't do it with me, he do it with, you know, my daughter, my oldest, and then of course with dad. I put shorts on him so that way he can't take his diaper off. But if you just put a diaper on and leave him around the house with just a shirt on, oh, he's snatching that diaper off ASAP. Like ASAP. But this breakfast was fair. What did I just do with that primer? I don't want, I didn't drop it in my food. Okay, ew. Alright, so I am completely done. This is the look that I did. This is actually, okay, so how can I explain it? So I'm filming my color thing backwards. So this is actually going to be the first look for Black Week. As in black outfit, because I'm not doing no black makeup every day. I am going to do a black smoky eye, and I'll probably do that sometime this week because I already filmed my 3 looks for my black theme week. So this is look number 4, which will be look number 1 though. So all I got is one more look to do for black theme, and then I'm done with that one. What other colors do I have to work on? I'm putting on my Versace perfume for today. Yeah, this is Bright Crystal. And boy, does she smells delicious. Ooh, I love this perfume. What was I supposed to say? Oh, okay, I'm about to sneeze. Excuse me. Okay, yeah, I managed to be done on time. I have 20 minutes. Is it 20 minutes? Yeah, about to do it. 20 minutes to get to work right now. So I'm about to do that. I didn't finish my breakfast because I was trying to complete my makeup, but I'm about to tear it down now. Then be off to work. But I really like my makeup look today. Oh, this discoloration is bothering me though. Look at this. It's alright, it's alright. For the love of the baby. Bring me that neck. Yeah, handsome boy. Aw, thank you. He's so sweet. For daddy again, Bubba. No?
Well, don't just stand there, Loopy. We can't let him get away with this.
See, over the belly. Thought I'd come in here where I looked somewhat decent. Yo, I am sweating. I don't know how I'm going to do this summer with this pregnancy, but I'm not feeling good at all. I just got off of work. I'm about to take this wig off. Let me show you what I got on first before I let y'all know what this lady said to me. So this is what I have on. Just this dress, little flowy dress. And yes, my stomach looks, of course, big because of the style of the dress, but who cares, you know? Who cares? Who cares? It's hot. So she comes to me at work while I'm at the register, comes to me, and she says she don't know how I'm standing. And I didn't catch on to what she was saying at first. I was like, she don't know how I'm standing. I was like, I'm on 2 feet. Like, what the fuck? Where else am I supposed to be standing on? But she was saying it as in, like, I'm so big, she don't know how I'm managing to stand on my feet. Yeah. I was like, this pregnancy, oh, I should have not ripped it off like that. It's just really annoying. But I felt pain all day today at work. So I caught myself calling my doctor's office, and they're not picking up. I called my high risk. She said, oh, I need to go see my OB for this and not them. So I keep calling my doctor's office and they're not picking up. So they keep seeming like they're closed for the day. So I don't know what else to do because I'm just very irritable and I don't feel good. But I think I'm just going to write it out and just baby comes, it comes, you know. It's just, I have a doctor's appointment next week, so I might as well just weigh it out and just wait. I have work one more time this week, which is tomorrow. And then, got a hot flash out nowhere. It's like humid hot out here. But I'm about to go upstairs, have some alone time to myself because I didn't get no sleep last night. I slept for 2 hours. Don't even want to get into details of what happened. But take these off. Oh, make my eyes heavy. I'm almost there. Clothes off, and then butt naked time.
Have to talk to each other so you can know where each other come from and who each other is. And I want all of us to be great. Because all you guys